they tell me a squared is 9. So what I thought about was what numbers do I square where the units digit will be a 9? So 2 squared, no. 3 squared, yes, that's going to be a 9, ending in a 9. 4 squared, no. 5 squared, 6 squared, no. 7 squared, yeah, because that's going to be 49s into 9. 8 squared, no. 9 squared, 10 squared, 11 squared, 12, 13 squared. All right, we'll end in a 9 as well. And then I said, all right, units digit of a plus 1 is a 4. All right, so let's think about that. If a is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4. And then 2 won't work, 3, 4, 5, 7 will work, I think. Wait. Yeah, 2 plus 1 is 3, no. 3 plus 1, no. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 squared is 36. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 squared is 64. So you can stop there because you've got a 7 common here and a 7 common here. So you know you're dealing with the same value of a, which is 7. So now come down here. What is the units digit of 7, a plus 2 squared? 7 plus 2 squared. 7 plus 2 is 9 squared is 81. The units digit is a 1. There's your answer.